the past year. I'm very trash at it because I haven't played it in a while, but we're gonna have the epicness of the epic and go play this game. Wow! Oh, oh no, no. So what I know from this game is that if you get underwater and lose all your air, you die. Which is, yeah, how the game plays, and yeah, the epic. And, you know, that we don't play the same game for the entire episode, because that's just boring, I think. I might just, no! No. No. Look at this fat character, haha. No! No, I'm gonna die. No, I'm dead. I should have gone on that tree, dang it. You have drowned. Well, duh. Poop escape, too. Ha ha ha. Poop escape, ha ha. I'm funny. Poop. Yes! Me play next game. Wait for players and me as player. Rare headdress. Well, cool. Okay, we going? I should probably turn that down. It's probably copyrighted. Okay. Ooh. Did I get it? Went for it. He went for it. I almost fell, brother. Boom. One time they knocked me off the edge and I died, so. Get the button. Press it. Press the button. We finna drown if somebody don't click it. Oh, am I gonna go in? Yep, I'm gonna go in. You survived. I know I survived. I know you are, but what am I? I know you are, but what am I? Nobody knows what I am. I've got a crab on my head, pinching my eye sockets. You see that? Wild Savannah. The wild Savannah. It's hard. Oh no. It's hard. It's harder than the hardness. Like, you can't beat the hardness of this level because it's too hard. You would never believe. No, I'm finna die already. What was that? I told you. Oh, my fat stomach can't take this. My fat stomach can't take this. Okay, we're gonna get in the next round. Wild Savannah, 4 out of 9 players left. Hurry up and die. Hurry up. Oh, Jiminwoofer. I need everybody in this video to like and subscribe, or a crab will be pinching you in the morning. And you don't want a crab pinching you, because that's just bad. Oh no, no. Boop! So I don't know if many people know how to play Flood Escape. You can, and I have a Red Valk hangout, and the Red Valk group, and the Crab Squad, I think, and I need y'all to, we have 400 visits on the Red Valk hangout, and I need everybody to, get their epic ugly faces to go, get me some visits on my epic game. So like the epicness level goes up. Yep. So we can get Fortnite from Epic Games to sponsor Fortnite Epic Games. Yep. Believe it or not, this video is sponsored by Fortnite Epic Games. We made it. Pay no attention to my name. My name is Clippy Chomp. That is not true. Oh my gosh, I'm dizzy, boy, dizzy, boy. Oh no, it's lava. I survived lava. Oh my goodness. I have 100 air. You cannot take my oxygen away from me. This is my oxygen. Okay. Get it? Get it, or my slimy tentacles will smack you in the face. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. I'm too fat to make it up the thing. Okay, we gotta jump. I'm drowning. No. Make it. Yeah. Oh no, there's too much water. I can't breathe. No more water. I can't breathe if there's no water. Press the button. Press the button. There's a lot of people. Press the button. I'm not going to go press it. I'm not pressing it. No. They can't see me. Somebody press the button. Boop, boop. Oh, frick, I gotta get up before that turns to lava. I knew it was gonna turn to lava. If I can't make this jump, I die. No! No, I thought I was in. No. Okay, at least I made it into this. I don't like Sky Sanctuary. We don't gonna win this. I mean, I technically won last round. Winkle. I need everybody to like and subscribe to the video. Like the video. And, headbutt that subscribe button. And, bite that like button. Because we bite it here. Or you can pinch it like the clippy, clumpy little crab on my head. Make it. We making bacon from them pigs. Making bacon from them pigs. Sloth Played. I didn't know you were Sloth Played. The epic YouTuber. Epic Sloth Played YouTuber. I never knew Sloth Played was in my presence. Okay. We gotta go up. How do we go up? Oh, like this. Whoop. How do we get up? Oh, nice. Okay, we making bacon. Okay. Are we gonna making bacon over to the making bacon machine? Boop. We gotta make that bacon. Make it bacon. Boop. Wait, I had no reason to go up there. Oh, okay. Okay, brother. Okay, brother and sister. Oh no, making bacon. Oh no. Nope. Nip. Are we gonna make it? We made it. And since we made it, that'll be the end of the video. Goodbye, everybody.